Hello students. Uh, as I have explained you in the cost of capital, there are three components: cost of debt, cost of preference shares, and cost of debt. Cost of equity, cost of preference shares, and cost of debt. I have finished two. One is cost of equity and cost of preference shares. Today I will be doing the third one, that is cost of debt, which is also called as debentures and bonds. Okay, now what is debt? Debt comprises of which comprises debentures, essentially represents borrowed funds. What does a debt means? Debt means it is a borrowed funds. Interest is payable compulsorily even if the company is incurring losses. As the interest paid is treated as a business expenses, there is a benefit accrued out of tax benefit. Okay, so this is a interest paid. Interest is compulsorily paid here on the debt. Okay, so what is the debt? Debt is like a loan or it is like a bond where the fixed rate of interest is paid. Now under this also there are two types. They are cost of irredeemable debentures and the cost of redeemable debentures. Okay, cost of irredeemable debentures are where the period of redemption is not mentioned. Where the period of redemption is not mentioned, when the period of redemption is not mentioned, we call it as irredeemable debentures. Okay, when the period of redemption is not mentioned, it is called as irredeemable debentures. Now you have to see the problem properly, whether it is redeemable or irredeemable. When the year is not given, it is irredeemable debentures. Okay, now there is a formula also to calculate irredeemable debentures. So let us go through the problem. Formula. There is a formula. See here, the formula is KD. KD is equal to 1 minus T divided by P into 100. Okay, so the formula is 1 minus T divided by P into 100. KD is cost of debt. I refers to interest payable. 1 minus T refers to tax. P refers to net proceeds. Okay, I'll be doing the problem here. Few explanation is given, which is as per RBI rules. If what is irredeemable means, actually in India irredeemable is banned, but we have for the calculation irredeemable debt. So the formula you have to remember and use the formula and calculate the cost of irredeemable debentures. Okay, now I'll read the first problem, that is 3.20. In June 2005, UCO Bank raised 200 crore by issuing perpetual bonds carrying 10% coupon rate. The rate of interest is 10%. They were issued at a par. How they are issued? They are issued at a par and have a face value of 100 rupees. The face value is 100 rupees. Okay. Applicable tax rate is 30%. Calculate the cost of debt. So what is a tax rate? Tax rate, it is 30%. Applicable tax rate is 30%. What you have to do? Calculate the cost of the debt. Face value is 100 rupees. Now the formula to calculate cost of debt is KD is equal to I1 minus T divided by P into 100. Now I refers to interest, that is 100 rupees face value into 10 rupees the rate of interest, 10%. So 100 into 10%, it is 10 rupees. In the bracket 1 minus T, T refers to tax rate. Tax rate is nothing but is 30%, 0.30, 30%. 30%, that is 0.30. Okay, 0.30. Now how you got 0.30 is 30%. If you 30 divided by 100, you will get 0.30. Okay, so 10 1 minus 0.30 divided by P. P refers to issue price. How they are going to issue? It is issued at a par. If nothing is mentioned, here it is mentioned, it is issued at par. So it is face value. So 10 1 minus T divided by 100 into 100. Now 10 1 minus 0.30, you will get 0.70. So 10 into 0.70, you will get 7. 7 divided by 100 into 100, you will get 7%. Okay, first you have to deduct this 2, you will get 0.70, multiply with the 10, you will get 7 divided by 100 into 100, it is 7%. Okay, what is the next problem? Second problem we will go through. That is, Cosmo Limited issued 15% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%. Okay, discount of 10%. Applicable tax rate is 40%. Calculate the cost of debentures. The formula is KD is equal to I 1 minus T divided by P into 100. I refers to interest. What is the interest? Interest is 15%. It is on the face value. So 100 into 15%, it is 15. 1 minus 0.40. 0.40 is the tax rate, which is 0.40, divided by issue price. Issue price is 100 minus 10 rupees is a discount. So 100 minus 10 discount, it is 90. 10% of 100, it is 10. So 100 minus 10, 90. Now here 15%, 15. 1 minus 0.40. So if you deduct 1 minus 0.40, you will get 0.60. Okay, so 15 into 0.60, you will get 9. 9 divided by 90 into 100, you will get 10%. Okay, so KD is 10%. Now next is about 3.22, which is about the calculation of cost of debentures. Here also cost of debentures. Here remember what we did is, from the issue price 100, we deducted a discount, we get 90 rupees. Here as usual calculation. Now let us see the one more problem under cost of a debt. Inaric Oil issued debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5%, carrying interest at 12%. If the company is in 30% tax bracket, calculate the cost of debentures, assuming the issue expenses at 10% of the face value of debentures. Okay. Now, what is the interest? Interest is 12%. What is the face value? 100 rupees. Now, how it is issued? It is issued at a discount of 5%. It is issued at a discount of 5%. Okay. And now we have to calculate. Now, issue expenses also given. It is on the face value of the debentures. Now what we have to do is, first we know the interest rate, okay, that we can calculate. We have to calculate the issue price. How it is issued? It is issued at a discount of 5%. Okay, so at a discount of 5%, that is face value minus discount minus issue expenses. So face value is 100 rupees minus discount is 5% of issue face value. So 5% into 100, you will get 5 rupees. Minus issue expenses is 10% of face value, that is 100 into 10%, you will get 10. Okay, so 100 minus 100 into 5%, it is 5, minus 100 into 10%, it is 10. So 100 minus 5 minus 10, so deduct, it is 95. 95 minus 10, you will get 85. Okay, that is face value minus discount. Issue expenses, how it is? It is 10% on the face value. So on the face value, you have to take 10%. You have to check the problem properly. Sometimes they'll give issue price. So, 10% of the issue price they will give. Okay, at that time you have to check and then you have to do. So 100 minus 5 minus 10, you will get 85. Now I, interest 1 minus T, that is taxes 0.30 divided by 85. 85 is a proceeds 85. So 12 into 0.70 divided by 85 into 100. So 8.40 divided by 85 into 100, it is 9.88%. So the value of a cost of a debt is 9.88%. Okay, so go through the problem. This is the cost of irredeemable debt. Any doubts you can ask, clarify it. Very simple it is. Cost of irredeemable debt, because a year of redemption will not be mentioned. That is cost of irredeemable debt. Okay, thank you.